Hey, it's Fiona, and I wanted to do this quiz test to show up on YouTube, so that's what I'm doing here, right now. I have a headache, so this will be my video instead. I'm working on a gotcha video, but I can't think of poses and shit while I have a headache, so here we go. How dirty is my mind? This might not bode well. Which of these places would you like to live? Butts country. That can't be real. Nasty UK. New York. How is New York dirty? Fingering hole. Townsville. Oh, wank. Wank. Germany. Fingering hole cannot be a real place. I don't know how New York is dirty. UK is like United Kingdom, right? That's like England and stuff. I'll go with nasty UK, because I don't know. United Kingdom. England seems to be doing pretty well for themselves. Do you recognize this building? No. It's a castle. I work there. Nope. Never been there, never seen it. I don't know how that counts, but was that supposed to be like a dirty place or something? What do the letters PH usually mean? Potential hardness. Okay, yeah, that's dirty. Pizza Hut. Level of pH. Yeah, okay, pH, yeah. Level of acidity, the pH balance? Yeah. I don't think I've ever had British food. Hmm. Shepherd's pie. Mama makes shepherd's pie. What is this? A fork? A fork? That's a fork. Oh, you mean the thing above the fork? Hmm. It looks like something. I'm not entirely sure what, but I could take a guess. Do you like fish sticks? I just got it. I just got it. I see what you did there. Oh. And vitamin. I I'm not I'm not sure what that means. Oh, it's a currency. Okay. Um sure. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's okay. It's pronounced okay. I've never done a DIY thing, so zero. The first book I've been reading is the book series I've been reading is The House at Night, and that's not a dirty book. I'm gonna put that one because after so many videos, I've seen people talk about it. I like to watch people rage about that book because I like rant videos. And it's it's got some serious problems in it. It does. It does. All right. Um I could make a joke here, but I'm not going to because I know who watches my videos. Let's move on, shall we? Which of these names would I give my child? I guess Mitchell. That's a good enough name. I don't get like the joke here, but we're talking about names. Okay. Okay, yeah. No, that's me legitimately clearing my throat. That's not for effect. I actually have snot dripping down the back of my throat, but I took Tylenol for my headache, so I can't take my allergy medicine yet. Gotta wait a little bit. uh, what is that? uh, that don't look like a fruit. That don't look like a fruit. It probably is, but it don't look like a fruit. You're allowed to show that? Oh, wow. Which of the words makes me uncomfortable? This should be easy. Blasphemy doesn't make me uncomfortable. None of these words really make me uncomfortable. Moist is a descriptive word. Blasphemy is a religious word. Texas is a place. I don't know what lurch means. I know what erect means, but nude is just another word for naked. I guess this one? I don't know. Ugh, okay. I know those are fruit. But, Jesus, even strawberries? could you not do that, please? Concerned. I am concerned. I don't think those fruit consent. I am concerned. I mean, I haven't really. I like musicals, but I haven't really seen many of them. Rocky Horror Picture Show. I saw it on TV one time, like years ago. That was fun. How do I sunbathe? I don't. I never leave my house. I Yeah, I don't. I don't need to answer anything else. I don't sunbathe. A worm? Something that makes me feel nauseous? A mushroom? No, it's probably a mushroom. It's probably. Okay. That looks kind of funny. uh, I don't know who that is. Yeah, I've never watched Scrubs. He's from Scrubs. I never watched Scrubs. I would if I could, but I just don't. I just don't know where to find the show. You know. There's a dancer. It could be anything, honestly. There's a dancer. It could be someone, strip dancing. It could be someone just, regular dancing. Oh boy. Haha. I get it. I don't think I would, honestly. I don't know, maybe once. But that would mainly be me checking to make sure I am what I believe that I am. And no, I'm not editing this. It's 2020. There's nothing wrong with liking manholes. Well, we're all pretty much in a sewer anyway. Why would I go into a sewer? I'm just gonna go, haha, I get it, because, screw it. Both answers pertain to me. I apologize for all the coughing. I get it. I've never tried. How would I know? I've never tried. That looks wrong on so many levels. Definitely some kind of snake, huh? That's an animal, but it looks kind of weird. I, it's a normal weather report. I don't see the joke. Fetal. I sleep in the fetal position. Well, if the alternative is noodles, I'll take it. The wording would make me smile a little. Why? That looks funny. I do watch shows for the story. I don't watch any of these shows. I don't watch any of these shows. Deals with its fucking twincest. Ugh. I don't watch any of those shows. Uh. Who did this and why? No. I'm on the road. Yep, that's me. And vanilla is my favorite ice cream flavor too. So I would do the Yu-Gi-Oh test, except I haven't seen much of the show yet. So we're gonna keep it with this for now. And that was me taking a dirty mind test. Hope y'all enjoyed it. No, I will not be editing this. Happy Thanksgiving and have a good day.